Hey y'all, we're going camping this weekend. This is May 7th. Well, we're heading back to our old home stomping ground. We're gonna go Styx River again for a week, and we'll see what we're gonna do there when we get there. The weather is not cooperating. And guess where we are? We are back at Styx River. Our little home away from home. We got a different spot this time. Maybe we won't have any problems, people walking around in our yard. But yeah, it's been raining this morning. Sun is out right now, but it is muggy. Summertime is here. Outdoor pool is now open. They just replaced the whole decking here, so it's a brand new deck. It looks good. We might do a little swimming this afternoon. Yeah, I'm having issues with these propane cans. I'm having to bleed off air off the top, and it's taking a long time, and I'm ready to eat. I'm starving, and it's not a good morning. It's like it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain all day, and now Emmy's sick and she's not feeling well. It's just one thing after another. But you know, we planned for the rain when we came over here, so that's not the issue. But you know, she had to call in sick today, and she's not feeling very good at all. So I'm trying to get some breakfast started, but it's taking forever. Heck with it. I went back with my butane, and I'll deal with those cans later. But right now I'm hungry, and this is working pretty good. I think I'm becoming more and more liking the butane more than the propane. Tell you, there's nothing I enjoy more than cooking outside. The weather's holding out. We'll make these eggs over easy with a little Parmesan cheese and some smoky honey habanero, and some seasoned salt. Yum. How's it going, buddy? Yeah, we just put a couple of pork steaks on for Emmy. I've got a steak there waiting to be put on. And this, I was just bragging on this baby, and I think it finally broke on me. It caught. I looked away, and it caught on fire. And I think the little trigger mechanism that starts the flame burn up or something. I'm gonna look at it in a minute, but I'm glad we bought this little thing. It's a lot smaller than our other the Blackstone. It's like way smaller, but I'm gonna make a little more space in the storage area, you know, so, and that Blackstone become a pain in the butt. So what you want? You want something? Huh? You want something? Come here. Come here. Come here. You don't like cheese? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? I ain't got nothing else for you. What are you doing under my trailer? What are you doing under my trailer? I got you some cheese. I don't know if you like cheese or not. That's all I got. All right, bye. Yeah. Saturday morning. What a morning. It's raining, raining, raining. And we got more rain coming. Maybe by 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon, we'll get a little break in it. But I'm just sitting here watching TV. That's about all I can do. I don't want to go driving anywhere. But it's the way it is sometimes. But you know what? I would rather be here than at home in the rain. So, gonna deal with it today. Tomorrow's supposed to be a lot better. The storm has arrived. Hey, since I'm not doing anything and probably won't do anything till later on this afternoon, I'll give you a little tour around the trailer. All right, let me start over here. It's not very big. One person, it's perfect. It's plenty big, but 2 people, it's a little cramped. We're going to upgrade here probably in the next couple of years. But this is it. We got a little dinette that we barely use. We got the TV stands over. It's supposed to be over in the corner right there, but I'll tell you about that in a minute. Well, we got this nice little, I don't know if that's a 43-inch or a 40-inch TV. I like the stand. The stand is what makes it work on this table. So, we've got a nice little TV viewing area in here. Now, this got plenty of storage all around, okay? I mean, I'm not unsatisfied with that. What I was unsatisfied with was the lack of a closet. So I put a rod right here, and you put your feet underneath there, and you don't even notice it's there and everything. Well, see, this is the little thing to hold our TV, but the biggest TV could fit in here is like a 24-inch, and I didn't like that. Got a nice big fridge. And plenty of space. One of the things that I did like, and you got a microwave and a 2-burner, which we barely use. And we've got a big old sink, which we don't have very much space, cabin, the space to put, like, if you want to make a sandwich or anything, unless you close this like this, and this is about all tore up. I don't know. It's so cheaply made, I couldn't believe it. So I'm going to do something there. I'm going to probably put a cutting board to cut it that size and put it there. And here's the bathroom. I put this little thing in here in the back just for storage, and it's worked out pretty well. And the tiny shower. Now, I did not want one of those wet baths. I didn't want one, and so that at the time that was plenty good enough for me. And it still is. I mean, we've been using it while we've been here. This is my sister got me that, and I've got the other thing. This is my happy place. I got that in Quartzsite the first trip I made over there. But that's the tour. Ain't much to it, but it's home. Good morning. Good morning, buddy. How are you? He wants something to eat. Well, finally, a sunny morning. It's Sunday, Mother's Day. I am so happy that the sun has finally come out. Emmy's moving around a little better this morning. We might go for an e-bike ride a little later. Get like our twin trucks. And anyway, I'm going to take Emmy to a Mexican place. She wants some tacos for Mother's Day, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take her out. And we're trying to wait. I'm getting hungry. Hey, it's Monday morning. The sun is out. I'm going to go play some disc golf. Yeah, I'm going to the park in Loxley. They've got a disc golf course over there. It's pretty wide open. I enjoy playing over there. It's kind of halfway underwater though, so it's going to be interesting to say the least. Tell you what, I'm enjoying this sunny weather. Feels muggy though. I'm not going to take my pull card. I'm just going to carry this little carry bag I got. It's might be a little muddy through here, so I'm not going to trudge through the mud with my pull cart. All right, this is the first hole. I love playing this course. It's more wide open than the courses I'm used to playing on, so it's actually a mite easier. I play in the woods mostly. Usual bogey on the first hole. It's kind of long for me. I don't know. So we're gonna keep playing. Yeah, I kind of pulled my shot a little. This is what I got left for birdie. I'd say about a 35 or 40 footer. Easy par here. This is what happens when you get a week of rain. I'm talking thunderstorms. Look at this. This is usually dry. And I'm having to walk all the way around to get to my disc. And there's no way over there to go. So, oh well, I chose to play here, so I got to deal with it. Par. 2 over on the front. Yeah, Emmy's home from work. Had a nice day at the disc golf course. Shot 2 over par, which is pretty good for me on that course. Shot even par on the back. Pretty proud of that. Yeah, we got some chicken. Yeah, this is what our neighbor just gave to us. These are homemade. Look at the design is beautiful.
Y'all see it?
Oh yeah. He's got that big cross on his front of his.
I like that. Thank you again.
Good night.
Maybe it'll come in better a little bit further away. And it kind of glows on the camera. But here's what the design. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I am sick of this weather. It rained all night last night, so that's going to kill my plans to go throw some disc golf today. Because if it rained all night, then that whole park is underwater. So it's finally stopped. I think the rest of the day is going to be fine, but yeah, got to wait for the sun to come out. Yuck. Yeah, back at Buc-ee's again. Well, look here what I got. My hand's in the way. Anyway, look at here. I got some pork, pulled pork, and some brisket to take home. So we're gonna eat good tonight. Look at what Emmy brought me. Except one problem, they weren't blown up. She got me one of these to help. And we're not done yet.
They even got him a blue one.
We're not even close. She got a little project she's working on. Yeah, we got all kinds of balloons in here. We're fixing to have to get out of the trailer because we don't have room in here. Hey, good morning, everybody. Hey, we're Emmy's already gone to work. I'm gonna hook up and everything today and head back to the home base. It's been fun. Kind of disappointing this weekend because of the weather and everything. Didn't get to do what I really wanted to do too much. So, but hey, good news is, and I'm gonna be home about a week, and then for the next week we're gonna be at Abita Springs, Louisiana, and we're gonna stay about 4 days there, 4 nights there, and explore that Ocean Canyon Resort. Sounds like fun to me.